Hi there, it's me again. Sorry, my camera couldn't record more. So this happens to be the second part of my unpacking video of the Xbox 360 Elite. So two things left, like I said in the end of the video. Oh, more than two things. It's this red button. And there. No kids should use it. Well, it says plug. Oh yeah, I know. For the power brick connector cable. Yeah, this is the German version. Two of these connectors. This is just German. You Americans get different slot inputs. But yeah, this is for the power brick. And the power brick itself, it's huge. It didn't change at all. So yeah, let's open this. Didn't change, it didn't get lighter. Oh, that's heavy. Very huge, very nice. Look how much power this guy needs. Also, this is so big. I don't care. Well, this is for the backside of the console itself. Oh, sorry. So let's put this down to the other cable. And the last thing, of course, wireless controller. Very awesome. Can't wait to hold this in my hands. It says play, of course. Play, Fuga, Chinese, Georgia. Very much like open this up. Controller. Some instructions. Here, battery pack. Oh, they also included battery packs. And not the crappy junk. That are decent Energizer batteries. Thanks, Microsoft. Let's open this up. Energizer. Wow, better than the Wii. They gave you some crappy batteries. Energizer, very nice. And here's finally the controller. Very nice. Very good in the hand. Oh, I love the Xbox controller. You can open this up. Oh, and look, it's matte, of course, like the console. But if you look closer, you can see that the triggers have this glossy color. And these buttons and the back and start buttons have this glossy color, like the PlayStation 3, which I hate. No, I don't hate it, but I think Xbox 360 is way better. Well, let's put this batteries in it. Can I open this up? There's this paper. We don't need it. So, yeah, plus up, plus down, and put this on the fancy controller. Awesome! I love this controller. So, there's some stickers which say, you don't need that. Doesn't come off my arm. And here also is one. Oh man. This is all about the controller. Oh, and I just realized composite paper, also this sticker. Oh no. Damn it. There are some ugly stains on it. That sucks. Oh, that was bad. Oh, I'll fix it later. Oh, that sucks. Man, why that? Well, Microsoft. So, well, yeah, that's all about this. Let's put a box on the side. And look, lots of cables. This will be so much fun. And the console itself also can lie down. But I won't do it right now. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this. And I'll also get Xbox Live with 3 months gold subscription, and I think there's also a subscription on the box. I don't know. I guess there is one, but oh yeah, we'll see about that. So this is all about this. I hope you also enjoy your Xbox 360. Yeah, please subscribe, rate, comment. So and yeah, bye bye.